excited about what I just got. A7iii. I've been wanting to go full frame Sony for a while, and I got a couple jobs coming the next week or so that this thing is gonna come in handy. I'm shooting this video right now on my GH5, and I love this camera. I love it, I love it. The video's amazing, but it doesn't do super well in low light, and the photos that this thing produces is just next level. I'm pumped. A lot of camera. As you saw in the video, I got this Tamron 24-75 2.8. This lens just got released like a couple months ago. When I was at B&H, when I just bought this thing, I walked to the used lens department and I just asked, like, what do you got? I always ask with whatever camera system I'm using, just in case. I don't think I've ever had anything that I've actually wanted there at a reasonable price. $250 off the original asking price. It was only a $600 lens, and it's a 2.8 24-70. This is like the Sony version of this is like $3,000. When they had the lens, I decided to finally buy the camera. If you're at B&H or at a camera store, just ask the used department. See what they got in stock. You never know. Also, I love this GH5, but because I have this now, I'm gonna put this thing on sale. If you want it, whole link to the description, the Craigslist or the Facebook Marketplace, whatever, it's gonna be right here. It's an amazing camera. It's shooting this. If you want it, let me know. Finish this video with a little slide and show because I'm gonna go walk outside and take some pictures because I'm dying to see what this thing does. So yeah, GH5 is on sale with lenses and all the goodies. This is now my daily driver. You'll be seeing a lot more of whatever this thing puts out right now.